This is what your shrimp should look like for all 3 of the Scampi recipes. Seared but not fully cooked, taken out of the pan. In the same screaming hot skillet, we're gonna knock the heat back a little bit. This time I used a high temperature, completely innocuous oil, like a peanut oil or a grapeseed oil, to sear off these shrimp. They come out of the pan. In the same pan with the drippings, we're gonna add ginger and garlic this time. We're gonna show you the Asian spin on Scampi. And we're gonna give that a swirl. A fat splash of sherry. Let's add our shrimp stock this time, shall we? Then to our shrimp stock, we're gonna add our heat. This time we're using some sriracha hot sauce. Couple of turns of the pan. And then we're going to add some tamari or aged soy or shoyu or liquid aminos, that delicious companion to all things ginger and garlic. To that, our garnish is going to be sesame seed, finely chopped chive, and a little cilantro. So toasted sesame oil, toasted sesame seed in a shaker bottle. Our bright acidity at the end, instead of a lemon, we're going to switch it up and do a lime. And we're going to slide our shrimp back in to let them finish cooking through in the sauce as it reduces. And I always, no matter what type of Scampi, I always finish the sauce with a couple of pats of butter.